Hey there, and welcome back to our 5-part series. This is Emily with the AI Teaching Network by T. Potter Instructional Design. This is our third video talking about ways that you can use ChatGPT to revise your work. So one way you can use ChatGPT to revise your work is through proofreading. You can ask ChatGPT to act as a proofreader, then you can copy and paste your work into the text box and ask it to check for things such as clarity and consistency, organization and formatting, and accuracy and formatting of your citations. For example, you can copy and paste your citations into ChatGPT and say, this is a list of sources that need to be in APA format. Please list any errors you find. On the next slide, you'll see an example of this in action. So you'll see here that I copy and pasted a list of sources into ChatGPT and asked it to list any errors I found. And here it came up with a numbered list and pointed out any mistakes that it picked up. Now, it is important that you use tools such as the Purdue OWL Lab to learn how to properly cite your sources. But this is a great way to feel a little bit more comfortable, help find any errors, and help you practice picking up those errors and correctly citing your sources, especially when you're learning maybe a new standard for a university, such as APA format or MLA format, for the first time. And that is all for using ChatGPT to revise your work, but stick around and we're going to talk about using ChatGPT for language learning support next.